Hello friends, today I am going to tell you a PC build. If your budget is somewhere around 40,000 and you want to build a gaming PC, then this video is for you. This build helps to do gaming in 1080p resolution, and this PC is capable to play almost all the latest game at 1080p resolution in medium setting. And this PC is going to be a liquid cooling and RGB gaming PC build. Yes, a liquid cooling PC at 40,000 rupees. Myself Pawan and you're watching Mr. Tech Informer. So let's get started. The first and the foremost is the processor. We can say the heart of CPU. Keeping budget in mind, I have taken the processor from the brand AMD, which is a kind suitable for this build, and it is AMD 7th Gen A8 9600 quad-core processor with Radeon R7 graphics. It has 4 CPU cores and 6 GPU cores. It is base clocked at 3.1 GHz and can be overclocked up to 3.4 GHz. Total L2 cache is 2 MB. It is an unclocked processor and the socket type is AM4. Default TDP is 65 watt. Max temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. And the price of this processor is 4,974 rupees only. And the buy blink. The second most part required is a motherboard. Motherboard which I have chosen is MSI A320M Pro VDS. It has A320 chipset. It has a 2 DDR4 memory slots and the max RAM it supports is 32 GB, which should be clocked at 2400 MHz. It has one PCI 3.0 x16 slots and 2 PCI 3.0 x1 slots to handle graphic card. If we come to the storage, it has 4 SATA 6 GB per second ports. It has 6 3.1 Gen USB ports, 4 at the back panel and 2 if it comes in your PC cabinet. It has 6 2.0 high-speed USB ports. It has a 7.1 channel high definition audio, 1.8 gigabyte LAN controller. The motherboard is priced at 4,099. Next comes our RAM. As we are really tight in budget, I suggest you to get 8 gigs of RAM for now. Afterwards, you can update it. And the RAM I choose is from the side of Corsair. It is Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is clocked at 2400 MHz, and the voltage of this RAM it consumes is 1.2 volt and 288 pin output. It also comes with a heat sinks, and this RAM is priced at 5,650 rupees only. And important for gaming. Yes, it is a graphic card. As a processor has an inbuilt Radeon R7 graphics, I suggest you to get a Radeon graphic card only because combination of these two gives a better gaming experience and a bit of video editing also. So I have selected a graphic card which is MSI AMD Radeon R7 240 2GB DDR3 low profile PCI Express graphic card. The interface of this graphic card is based on PCI 3.0 and clocked at 730 MHz and can be overclocked up to 780 MHz. API supported is OpenGL 4.3 and DirectX 11.2. Power consumption of this graphic card is 35 watt and this graphic card is priced at 3,249 rupees only. Now comes the energy supplier for a PC. Yes, this is a power supply. As per our build requirements, only requires 450 watt power supply. I recommend you to choose or get Circle Gaming APFC Modular 450 watt 80 plus bronze certified power supply. This is based on ATX 1202.3 or VEPS 1202 2.92 80 plus bronze certified and has an energy efficiency of 85%, and this power supply is priced around 2685. Next is the storage. I have used two different types of storage in this PC build. One is the hard disk and another one is the SSD. So if we come to the part of hard disk, I have selected a 500 GB Seagate SATA hard disk which works on 7200 RPM and priced at 1475 rupees only. If I come to the SSD part, I have selected Kingston SSD A400 122 GB SATA 3 solid state hard drive, which is priced at 1929 rupees. Next comes the chassis, I mean the cabinet. As I said earlier, this PC is a RGB PC and liquid cooling PC build. So we need a transparent side panel and a spacious PC case, and it should fit in our budget. So I have selected Entech NX100. It features a full-size plastic window to show off your computer, supports full-size ATX and micro ATX and mini ITX form factor motherboard. It supports up to 240 mm water cooling radiator in front and 140 mm radiator at back. It can hold up to 5 120 mm fans, and it includes one 120 mm rear exhaust fan in the case. The case is priced at 2650 rupees only. Now comes the RGB gaming kit. Keeping budget in mind, I have selected Cosmic Byte Solar Gaming Essential Combo, which has a RGB gaming mouse, RGB mousepad, GS410 headphone, and all these are priced at 2999 rupees only. For RGB effect, I am using Johnsbow FR531 RGB 120 mm case cooling fan with controller. The combo comes with 3 RGB fans which works on 1300 RPM, and it is priced at 2190 rupees only. Last but not the least, this is the most gorgeous part in a computer. Yes, it is a liquid cooler. Trust me, this is the best budget liquid cooler which you can buy now. It is Cooler Master MLW D12 MA20 PC R1 RGB AIO CPU liquid cooler. If I talk about this cooler, it comes with a salient cooling fan technology. It has a combination of both jet engine and helicopter blade design, gives you the static air resistor you need without sacrificing airflow. It has a 120 mm radiator which is made up of copper and comes with a RGB fan. It has a smart fan sensor for jam protection. Never worry about your cables getting snapped on your components being mugged up every even and then. So the price of this liquid cooler is 4920 rupees only. So guys, this much for today. I think this video was useful to you. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video as much as possible and comment down below. I Pawan Kumar signing off this session. Stay tuned with our channel for more tech and PC related videos.